Hey guys, how's it going? Today's your boy LetsGoBJones, and today I got another amazing video for you guys. Today I'm going to be unboxing a great brand. It's called MBTN, Ambition. If you guys know anything about League of Legends, there was a great player named Ambition, and he made a brand. I actually did one of the lookbooks a while back. I did the summer-spring lookbook, and they just sent me some of the fall-winter clothes. So let's open it up and check it out, you guys. I have you guys right here. I got the package. So let's open it up and see what we got. Ugh. Oh shoot. 1, 2. T-shirts. Send me 2 pieces of clothes. And let's just see what we got in these bags. Looks like today's just gonna be a really quick video. Okay, it's not that bad. Okay. So we got this sweater right here, you guys. Oh, it's a pretty nice sweater. Let's check it out. Ouch. Okay. So we got the sweater. Standard hoodie, you know, it's got a nice logo on it, MBTN on it. It's got 2 nice strings. It smells new, and the quality of the texture seems pretty strong, like stretchy and everything. I don't know, let me put it on real quick. Let's check how it looks. Wow. What you guys think? How I look? How I look fresh? I think I look good. This one looks nice. Do some poses for you guys. Check this out. I think it looks good. It looks like a decent sweater. It's pretty good. And then they gave us one more. Yeah. Okay, this one's a little bit different. Let me see. This one has a fresh little heart on it. And if you guys can see, the heart is actually like a data chip set. Let me show you guys this. Ah, I'm about to fall off the sofa. Look at that. I think that's pretty cool right here. Oh, and I forgot to mention that they do have front pockets. So right here, we have some nice front pockets right here. It's pretty good. We got some nice front pockets. Let me try and put this one on. Ow. Oh shoot. You guys can see my belly because I haven't shaved in like a month. Oh, this setup is a little different. I need to change it. What do you guys think of this setup? What do you guys think of this sweater? I think it's personally pretty fresh. It's a nice shirt, a nice sweatshirt, nice hoodie. It feels very comfortable. I feel very warm in it. It's very different than the clothes that I wore before. Here are some of the pictures from the shoot before. And as you can see, the previous clothes was summer clothes, you know, short sleeves, t-shirts and things like that. Pants. But I really like this sweater. I'm digging it because it's like gaming, you know? When people think of gamers, they think of like a slob guy that doesn't really go out. But I like that the brand wants you to look fashionable. You could be a gamer and be fashionable. Why can't you, you know? Looking fresh, just going out. And it's not that intrusive, you know? It's not like a big old gaming logo like buy our brand, buy our bland, like a NASCAR driver. They have all the sponsors and stuff. This is just very simple. It just has a nice little heart, and you would never know that this was a gamer who made it. It's just a nice looking sweater. And then with this, it just has MBTN on it. Gucci. It's just a nice small little logo, and it's not too invasive. Keyboards and RGB and all that stuff on it. It looks pretty simple and nice. Yeah, anyways you guys, there's gonna be links in the description where you can pick up this clothes. Like always you guys, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and leave in the comments below what kind of videos you guys want to see next. Yeah, we moved a little bit, so the setup of the room is not set up yet, so bear in mind with me for that you guys. And like always you guys, fighting!